What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I'll be taking a look at the EZVIZ C6W smart home camera. First things first, shout out to EZVIZ for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And without further ado, let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
As I mentioned earlier, yes, the EZVIZ C6W smart home camera was sent to me, but that does not alter or change my opinions or experiences with this product. Now with that out the way, if you are interested in the EZVIZ C6W, go ahead and check out the EZVIZ website for product information. And if you want to buy this, they do have it on Amazon for about $90. This does have a 4 megapixel 2K resolution. There's also an EZVIZ app that you can find on the App Store and the Google Play Store. This is a pan and tilt Wi-Fi camera that gives you 360 degrees of visual coverage. Another great feature is this does have person detection along with auto zoom tracking. We have a sleep mode so you can turn the camera off if you need some privacy. Also note that they do have a micro SD card slot. You will have to get your own SD card, but that's nice just in case you don't want to have to pay for the cloud storage. It's a nice option to have. Let's go ahead and do a quick box tour and then we'll get back into it. On the back, there is the micro USB, the Ethernet port, as well as your micro SD card slot. Here is the speaker for the two-way talk feature. So the actual camera, you're going to get a max resolution of 2560 by 1440. I have the EZVIZ camera plugged in. You notice the red light letting us know that there is power going to the camera. The next step is to download the app.
Please use EZVIZ App for device Wi-Fi configuration.
The QR code is not for the app, but instead it's for the user manual. So if you think you're going to need some more information, go ahead and just download that. I am using an Android device, so therefore I will download and install the EZVIZ app from the Play Store. And again, you can also find this app in the App Store for iOS devices. I am now going through the setup process. I'm agreeing to the terms. I'm setting up an account, putting in my password. Go ahead and put in the verification code that they have there. They'll send you an email with the code. You'll put that in and then you should be good to go.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait.
They do give you a 30-day trial. You can start the trial. Do note that if you do want to start it, you're going to have to go ahead and put in your credit card or PayPal information. So here are a few of the subscription plans. They have plenty and different options to choose from, as you see here. As for me, I'm already paying for another service, so at this time, I am not going to go ahead and put my information in. But remember, you can also use an SD card, and that is key if you're not wanting to pay a subscription plan. This is how I was able to stream the camera on the living room TV. Stream the basement camera to the living room TV.
Sure. Streaming watcher on living room TV.
The EZVIZ C6W features high efficiency video coding. What that means is it minimizes the bandwidth by simply identifying static areas. Let's talk about the app real quick. If you want to do auto tracking, please be sure that the Ultra HD option is selected. My storage of choice is the memory card, so I do have a micro SD card inside of the camera. You will have to reformat the memory card before use. Also take note that you will want to make sure you have a decent amount of storage on the memory card so that your files don't overwrite before you get to save them. Another cool feature is you can take a snapshot of what you're looking at, so you can have that information right there, and then you can also choose to record, and this saves right into your albums, making it very easy where you don't need to wait or download anything. You can take the action right then and there, and you will have that information ready to go. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? Are you drinking?
I was just, I mean, no. Well, technically, yeah, but
Well, hold up.
just a little bit. So.
Did you mow the grass in the back?
Not right now. It's extremely too hot outside, so to be honest, I think it's best if I do that a little
Wait,
later
so hold up.
in the day.
Wait. So it's not too hot for you to be drinking? Because I'm pretty sure that's what you're trying to hide there in your hand.
I mean, it's in my hand, yeah, but it's cool down here. It's cool.
Anyways,
So
this is actually good that I caught you. The reason being is, can you hear me well?
I hear you well. How are you doing this?
Well, this is the EZVIZ C6W. It's a new smart home security camera that you're looking at right now. And if you can hear me well, I can also hear you well. So this is perfect for my video. Thanks so much, but go back out there and cut that grass, please. Ciao for now. So what I want to show you in this clip right here is that this does automatically track someone. They have person tracking, so it will actually track whatever it is that it catches. But one thing you must note is if you're going to be using the two-way talk, this is not going to actually work. So you'll have to be able to use this button right here. You'll have to manually do the pan and tilt yourself. You'll have to control it yourself. So as you see here, I'm not talking through the two-way feature, and it's automatically just following him around. So once I go ahead and use the mic, it will not follow anymore. So watch this. Hey there. What you doing?
Just making sure things are working around here.
Oh, really? So it's a grass cut?
Yeah.
Is the lawnmower working?
Actually, I need to charge the batteries. Yeah, they need to be charged.
Do me a favor. Why don't you go out there, open the blinds and look at the grass? Is that working for you? As you see, it did not follow him to the door. It did zoom in and out, but it did not follow him to the door. It's following him where he's going. Let me put this down. Now it's actually following him because I'm not actually talking to him. It will zoom in and out, and it will not pan left and right. So I wasn't able to follow him to the door. What we're about to test right now is I am talking to him using the two-way talk feature. I just want to show you this again. As he walks around, like if he walks around right now, it's not really following him. It's not tracking him like we saw earlier. What I'm going to do now is take the microphone feature off. I'm going to stop talking to him, take the two-way feature off and see if it will follow him. So I will go ahead and stop it right now, and he'll continue to walk. It automatically just locked in to him, and it is following him. That's something that you might want to keep in mind. And it's not to say that you cannot track the person. You'll just have to do it manually using the pan and tilt feature right here and manually follow him. It is locked into him, and this is something that you just need to be aware of. I just wanted to show you this. So it looks like it's just zooming in. I'm talking to you now. Let's see if it's going to follow you now that I'm talking to you. And right now, like you're off the screen. It zooms in though. It will zoom in. Let's see how much it follows you though. It just doesn't really track you too much. It's trying. Keep walking near the TV. Keep walking near your TV. And now you're out of frame. It's not even, I don't even see you. But like I was telling you, you can go ahead and manually, you press this button and I can go ahead and see where he is. So I can manually go up, I can go down, I can go down, and you can manually do it that way. Quality of the data and connection speeds depends upon your Wi-Fi, so just keep that in mind. The EZVIZ C6W features true WDR, which simply means it has two sensors that takes 2 scans of each video frame. In my opinion, I have really enjoyed my time testing out the EZVIZ C6W indoor security camera. It has so many features, as well as it looks really nice on my mantle. Are you going to be picking one up? Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.